Alright, going to change the mirror today, as I said in the previous video. For some reason this one's been changed for a left-hand drive mirror. So the mirror's pointing in the wrong direction, doesn't suit a right-hand drive car. I just had a look at it and it looks like it's literally just 3 screws. Unscrew and take out and replace. I've had this replacement mirror for a couple of years, haven't even bothered looking at it to see how easy or difficult it will be. I assumed I had to take off loads of trim, but let's just see. Looks like this rubber seal has to come off because I don't have a replacement one on the mirror that was sent to me. So hopefully that comes off easy enough. There we go. Locates on the screw holes. Okay, make that back in. And there we go, dropped it. Alright, see if I can get it out with a magnet. Is it even down there, or has it disappeared? Nope, disappeared down into the door. Great, door panel off. Okay, to get the door panel off, I think I'm going to have to take a screw out of there, take this plate off. I believe this panel needs to come off here, which is a screw up the top, and then it should pull out somehow. And then it's just pop it in around the bottom. Possibly have to take the handle off, not sure, go have a look. Okay, possibly didn't need to take that off, but that's how it's held on anyway. Little clip into there, screw at the top, undo the lock button, just unscrews. Little flat screwdriver behind here. Yeah, pull that out of there somehow. That's it, wiggle it off. Phillips head. Slides down the arm bit, there we go, and then it shows another crosshead. Let's undo that one. Undo these two. Goes loose there. Under here you got 2 screws, one there and one there. From here, once the screws are undone, panel's loose at the bottom, it's then held on with hooks, so it should just be able to lift up slightly. There we go, and lift up here, and there it goes. I think I had the screw drop out. There it is. So back to it today, and as you can see, both mirrors are off again. What I found out was they're both exactly the same. Don't go trusting people on Facebook when you point out that you don't have something publicly, and then somebody random turns up and goes, oh, I've got the right bit you need, and $100 or $150 later, it's the wrong part. Had I not waited 3 years to get this thing fitted, I'd have probably gone for trying to get my money back, but I don't even know where I got it from now. So not only was it the same part, it was in worse condition, and when I went to put the mirror in, it was already broken, and as you can see, the plastic's pretty weak and it just broke off again. So although that's a better glass, it's actually useless. I'm gonna put the old one back in. Putting the glass in, we've got this slot at the back here, feeds onto that tongue. So literally just slide it in, and then it pops down onto this ball. And when you remove it, you remove it from that ball first. So just get a tool under there, under the edge of the glass, pop it up, and then just wiggle it out carefully, because you're wiggling it out from this tongue. Reverse, gotta put it back in, pop it down, put the old mirror back on, leave it as it was. Also, when I dropped the screw down here and thought I'll take the door cover off because that'd be fine, I can adjust the door handle with it. Don't need to do any of that either. Door handle is just behind here, 2 screws, undo those, move the door handle forward, take it out, adjust it. Right, let's have a go at the lock. 2 6mm Allen keys, I think. Right, 5mm. What I'm discovering is that everything is loose on this door. The window winder mechanism was loose on the door. There's a bolt on the bottom of the door, it's about to fall out. The check strap, one of the screws did fall out, and these screws are pretty loose as well. So I think this door has been completely off and various bits removed for some reason. It looks to be the original colour, so don't know what the reason behind it was. Alright, now I think we just push the handle forward, back, one way or the other. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so I've left the door panel off, because when you put it back in, you've got to make sure that this feeds into the mechanism at the back of the door, and I figured as the door panel was off, it's just going to be easier to line that back up when I come to put it back on. Adjustment, I think, is this screw here and this little slider. So it looks to be right down on its maximum. So if I undo this, pull it up a little bit, put it back in, and see how that fits. Just gone to undo the screw, and straight away loose, wasn't even locked in at all. So I'm just going to see if I can move this up a bit. I've only moved it up probably 2 or 3 millimeters. Get it up a little bit tighter than it was. All right, offer it back up and see if it makes any difference. Pretty difficult to see where this goes. These handles obviously been off before, and you can see the seal dips down behind the handle. And I thought it was broken just then, but it's not. It's just where it's been crimped in the wrong place. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that to seat properly. Right, let's see if it actually works or not. Oh, perfect. Check it's tightened up. Put the door trim back on, and then do the other doors. Lovely. So this is the exact reason that I've set up this channel, because of all these cars that I've got. It's just 2 of them. I've got another 2 around the other side. Obviously there's Land Rover, there's another Mercedes which I haven't seen yet, but I've got all these little jobs to do on these cars and I haven't really been doing them. Having this channel encourages me to get on with it and do one thing at a time, get these jobs knocked over and actually make these cars better, usable. So after half an hour, I've now got doors that open and close easily. See you in the next video. Cheers.